Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to review the Tonor TC30 and I'll compare it against my Shure MV7 microphone, which is a much dearer microphone. However, I'll let you be the judge which is the best. Now here it is, boxed. Nicely boxed, if I'm being honest with you. I was quite surprised at the quality for the price of it. Upon opening it, all packaged nicely. A simple manual. Then the microphone itself, already attached to the stand. You can pull the microphone off if you want. Then you just want to put it back in. These like rubber bands, you just push it towards them and it'll go in. It's supposed to stop any rattle if you touch the microphone. Then you have the pop mic. Just easily slide that on like that. Then you have the cable to plug it into your PC or Mac. And that's it. That's all in the box. I think it looked quite nice on my desk. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. Even knocking it. Now I've done a test. I just plugged the Tonor into my Mac and just done a screen recording. And then I plugged the Shure MV7 into my Mac and just did a screen recording. I've not edited any of the audio or anything like that. I've just let it play naturally. Let me know what you think is the winner. This is the Tonor microphone and I am just doing a basic screen recording and I will not edit the audio to make it sound better. And I will compare it to the Shure SM. This is the Shure MV7 microphone and I am comparing it to the Tonor microphone. I am not editing the voice afterwards. I am doing a screen recording as I did with the Tonor microphone. So personally, the Tonor instantly was louder, I thought. Whether it sounds the best, I don't know. It was just very loud. I've not made any adjustments to the audio. I've just played the audio that it recorded from the screen recording. If you want to check out the Tonor TC30, there are links in the description below. Also, let me know which you think's the best audio straight out of the box in the comments below, or any other information you want to share, because I want to get the best sound out of the Tonor TC30. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the comments.